You look so nice in the dappled sunlight there.
Yes, it's golden hour, you know.
Golden hour. It's 5:50 right now. Golden hour's almost over. Welcome to the vlog. We had our shopping day today, and instead of just taking Kristen shopping with us, we took Maddie as well. So we had to take 2 cars, which was kind of a pain in the butt. But the old crowd's back together again. The core 5. So we went to we went to Michael's. We filmed our haul from Michael's. That's on the this is Vegan as Fork. It's on the Granny by Nature Crochet channel. After Michael's, we went to Kohl's, and Sean got a pair of shorts and a collared polo shirt for like $8 because we had Kohl's cash left over and we had a $10 coupon. So that was nice. After Kohl's, we went to BJ's to get gas. After BJ's, we went to Aldi. So Aldi is over here. Sean D wanted these Fruit Loops, which are Aldi's version of Fruit Loops, which aren't as bad because they use fruit juice for coloring. Still plenty of bad stuff in there, but I got some of the gluten-free vegan chocolate chip cookie packs because I like to give those to Mark. Sometimes Sean gets them too. Some cuke, some vegan mozzarella, some organic bread, some red curry rice noodle soup, cabbage and red potatoes because Tuesday is St. Patrick's Day, some pinto beans. In the bag down there, we got some steak French fries and some frozen green beans. Hey, somebody was a little hangry today, huh?
What? Angry goes?
No, hangry. You were hungry.
Hungry.
And it made you angry. It was a long car ride home of yelling.
Yeah, it goes.
Blah! You told me you were going to put dinner on the floor today. That's not true, right?
That's not true.
No. Alright, so Sean got these
That's not true.
Pringles Mingles. So he had some of those. He feels better now. I got some of these. I shouldn't have been eating them, but I did. And they're so freaking delicious. I don't care if my stomach hurts later. It was worth it. I do care, but they were really good. Pretzels to me are like so addicting, and I should not be eating them. I don't know what to do with myself half the time. Probably shouldn't eat them. But anyway, these are really good. They're a little bit burnt, but that says it right on the thing, extra dark. Would I get them again? Yes, but next time I think I'm gonna get the not burnt ones. But the burnt ones are pretty good. Shouldn't be eating burnt stuff. They had the late July corn chips, so I got sea salt and lime and blue corn. Oh, this was from Aldi. The artisan lettuce. You know we love it. They had the pesto on sale, $2.49, so I got 2 of those. They had the Beyond Bricks on sale, $6.99. I got 2 of those. 2 of the Barilla pasta. This is the Italian one, product of Italy, so it has the Italian flour in it. I got 2 orecchiettis. This is complete trash. Don't judge me. It's it's definitely a once in a decade thing for me. My husband loves pudding. I love Snickers. I'll eat the pudding and he'll tolerate the Snickers flavor. He'll do more than tolerate it. He'll absolutely enjoy it, but I got that. Got some yellow rice mix. Obviously, I'm going to make this with like vegan milk so that it's vegan. Got his juice. We got our ice cream for tonight. It's Guilty Pleasure Saturday night ice cream cones. Some field roast pepperoni. Obviously, it's vegan. Oh, wait, what did that say? Carbon Zero. Made by a carbon neutral company. Wow. The Deo was on sale, so I got some American cheese slices, and I got 2 Italian blend shreddies, a 4 cheese pizza packet for pizza night. I think there's a peas and carrots under there frozen. And I think that's it. Oh, and a corned beef. Blech. I'm not eating that. But, oh, this is what I was excited about. I didn't even put it in the kitchen. The other ShopRite also had the big roll on sale. We got another big one. Now, if the world falls apart, we at least won't be wanting for toilet paper. We're going to lock it in a toilet paper safe.
Yeah, you know, a gun safe, but just use it for toilet paper.
Right, just for toilet paper.
Yeah.
I mean, toilet paper, when there is no toilet paper, is like a hot commodity, literally.
You think gold's expensive now?
Yeah, you think gold's expensive? What do you think toilet paper is going to be?
That's right.
You need that every day. Several times a day.
Yeah, you can't use gold.
You can't use gold to wipe your butt. Or anything else. Alright. They'll be giving us their gold for our toilet paper.
Yes, dear.
And they'll be happy to do it.
Mm-hmm.
You got anything else to say?
I like pizza.
Oh, well, good, because you're probably going to have some for dinner.
No. Not
No?
Tonight. Not tonight.
Ooh, corn dogs. Corn dogs and leftovers. All right. Right?
Yeah.
All right. See you later. Hi. Oh,
How's it going?
great.
Somebody's getting a million emails right now.
Yeah, I'm literally getting like 30 emails right now. That happens like pretty much every couple of hours during the
Yikes.
day.
That's a lot of emails.
I literally have like 100,000 emails.
I can't live like that.
I could spend all day deleting emails, but like
Still
And
would
a
just
lot.
be
still
a...
would it would just
drop
be
in
a
the
drop
bucket.
in the bucket. Yeah.
Well,
Gee,
it's
really,
Monday.
Sorry
The
for
elephant is
loud.
Somebody's doing a little routine right now.
Yeah.
You can see we have the keyboard here. Muppet Babies. That's going to be part of the show later.
That's Sherry Lewis.
Yes.
Lamb chop.
Yeah, that's not until 7 though.
Yes, we've been working our butts off today.
Yeah.
We've been crocheting pretty much all day.
Yes.
I did not film Family Day yesterday because yesterday was pretty intense
It was. We were doing the character creation for the new campaign.
of D&D.
Yes.
If in case you're new, we play a family D&D campaign.
Mm-hmm.
You also play several other
Yeah.
D&D games.
A lot of campaigns running right now.
Yeah.
And other games too. But yeah, yesterday was character creation day, so there was a lot to get through.
We didn't even get to the fun game.
Yeah, we were gonna do a little battle royale at the end, and there was like prizes and everything, but we just didn't have time to get to it yesterday because it can take a long time to create a character, especially if it's like your first time going through everything.
Yeah.
You need to like really sit down and look at it all and make it make sense. So
Right.
it can be very overwhelming.
Yes. But you had good thing you did yours in advance.
Yes, Sean and I did mine ahead of time so that I would be like freed up to help you guys. So we kind of did this thing where like there were parts of it that we could all work on together,
Right.
and then we would like
Then we got to
send
get
two
called
away.
in the principal's office.
Yeah, to go read things individually, and then
Yes.
work with Sean and I would work with one of you guys
Right.
at a time, and then
It was good.
yeah, I think we got it done. I mean,
We still have homework to do.
yeah, it probably took like, including eating, the whole thing was like 4-ish hours.
Yeah.
But like some of that was just sitting around too. But
Yeah.
to build 3 characers,
Right.
I'll take it.
But then my dryer broke yesterday.
Yeah.
I hate that.
No, we all need that dryer.
We just fixed it last May because I looked at the part that we had ordered and we're thinking the same part failed again.
Why do you think?
Probably because we're running a little laundromat here.
Yeah. Sean and I do our laundry here. Chris does our laundry here. So
We do our laundry here
yeah,
because we live here.
yeah. I just mean like in addition to you guys.
Right.
It's busy.
So those machines get a workout. So the part came today. I just got the email that it was delivered. So whenever Daddy feels well enough to change the part,
Yeah.
will be appreciated.
Good luck.
Because I have a load of wet clothes in the washing machine right now, and I don't want to
no.
hang them up.
That's so sad.
But if I have to, I will.
Yeah,
fine.
we are already scheduled to do laundry tomorrow at Sean's parents' house.
Yeah.
Sean's gonna be taking care of that.
Wow. So you get a little break. So you should be thanking me.
Oh, I don't know if I put it that way, but
Wow. All right. Well,
Mom,
it's Monday,
don't forget to brush the meat
and it was a rainy day on top of that, so it was pretty crap today.
yeah, it was warm, but it was like cold because of the rain.
Dreary.
The temperature was like in the 60s, but it felt colder.
I'm still wearing my winter coat and winter boots, so I don't care
Same.
if it was 60 degrees. I was cold.
Yeah.
We got one birthday shout out, but it's a conundrum
Okay.
because I have Amy Hughes down for today and tomorrow.
Oh.
So
We don't know the exact date.
I don't know if Amy, if you would please let us know if it's the 16th or the 17th.
Yeah.
But I do know that you are 51 years old this year.
Oh, happy 51st.
Happy 51st.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm 10 years older than you, and boy, do I feel it.
Tomorrow's also St. Patrick's Day.
And I hope Sean will be doing a little dance for us.
He's got to work for that meal.
He used to grab Granny's cane, and after he had his little St. Patrick's meal, he would put on a little show for us.
Yes.
He would do a little Irish jig.
Yep.
Hopefully he will stick with the tradition. I
Fingers
do have the
crossed.
cane from when I broke my foot.
Okay, so you got that.
And I think I probably have Granny's cane too, because I think I saved
yeah.
it from her house.
Yeah, I think you took one of them.
Yeah. So I want to see a little dancing tomorrow.
I'm sure Shandi will oblige.
St. Patrick's Day makes him feel like dancing, dancing
Yes.
that way. I'm sure he'll want to see the highlights from the parade too.
Yeah, probably. It's not like the most
Exciting parade.
flashy parade,
Yeah.
so it's not one that he usually will like seek out as much. But
Yeah, because there's no real like floats.
there's no like big floats or anything. It's not like
just marching bands and
yeah,
people walking around.
yeah.
I remember being verbally harassed at the St. Patrick's Day parade as I was marching with my school
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
by some drunken guys on the side of Central Park.
What a great memory.
I know.
Yeah, it doesn't have the same vibe as like a Thanksgiving Day parade
No.
or like Shawnee really loves the Rose Bowl parade.
Oh yeah,
like
he
the Rose
definitely
Parade.
loves that one.
Those are so cool with the like all the floats that are made from like living
Right, like
flowers and
seeds
stuff.
and
crazy.
straw and
Yeah.
amazing. Plus, he also really loves any of the Disney holiday parades too.
Yes.
Or any of the shows that they do like for Disney holidays.
Mm-hmm.
He's a real flag waver.
He loves parades.
He sure does. In fact, I think he has his Canada flag ready for flag waving tonight. It's part of his little show.
Oh yes.
Thank you, Catherine B.
Yes. Yes, absolutely.
All right, so I hope everybody has a great St. Patrick's Day, and I hope Amy, whether it's today or tomorrow,
Happy birthday.
I hope you're living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely.
Take it away.
All right. Shawnee, can you pet Bowie?
Enjoying the bears.
Bowie!
Sally.
All right. Thanks everybody so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful week. And until next time,
Much love. Bye, everybody.
Can't buy it.